welcome everybody to this week's Market Share, the short weekly segment brought to you by MKR, where we bring you all the noteworthy news and updates surrounding digital media and the world today. I'm your host Genevieve, and we've got some entertaining stories for you today, so let's get started. First up today, Tide's newest ad dives deep into viral videos, and we all know the best viral videos tend to be messy. The campaign places actor Kumail Nanjiani in several viral videos that lots of us know and love, like the peanut butter baby, to show us just how messy life can get and how Tide can help you after the fact. The campaign promotes the new Tide Power Pods that have 85% more detergent per pack, hence the campaign tagline, "Gonna need more Tide." The effort is encouraging people to share their own messy stories, which will hopefully lead to a lot of user-generated content to help the brand spread the word. Tide has had success in its advertising in the past through using celebrities, but this campaign takes a new spin on things as they go deeper into the trending viral video universe. This is a great example of how to use a celebrity, existing assets, and a trendy subject to create a memorable ad that people will most definitely remember. Next up, Netflix is further fortifying its advertising guarantees by using DoubleVerify's measurement solution and IAS's viewability and invalid traffic verification. A main concern for advertisers in this day and age is the ability to get accurate information on how many people have actually watched their ad. And often there are workarounds that people take so that they can get that extra 30 seconds of their life back. But this leaves advertisers thinking that they had been impacted when really, their view was never verified as a real one. These partnerships with DoubleVerify and IAS help protect video ads from fraud and invalid traffic, which is huge for advertisers, especially since Netflix is so new to the arena. These partnerships were announced before the launch of the ad-supported tier, but now they can actually test out the appeal with audiences and brands on connected TV. Fraud and viewability are very frequently cited as problems facing connected TV. So now that they have about 1 million monthly active users on the ad-supported tier, they can start bringing in more advertisers with their hopefully promising data. So if you're thinking about advertising on Netflix but are afraid of not getting accurate data like some other places we know, you can at least have a little bit of peace of mind. Third up today, Stella Artois is literally and figuratively crashing into dining trends in their new advertising campaign. The ad follows several people as they work their way from a quiet night alone to a casual and fun night out with friends. This increased emphasis on casual dining is a ploy to lure people out of their apartments and encourage them to go see some friends for casual fun, without pushing them so far that they never come out of hiding. Casual dining is becoming much more common than restaurant dining, and so obviously Stella wants to stay relevant with the times by partnering with other companies like Yelp, Instacart, and Uber Eats. The pandemic hit Stella Artois especially hard since they had been known as a premium lager served in restaurants. So now with the huge uptick in takeout and delivery, Stella is looking to take advantage of this new consumer culture. This campaign is all about their long-lasting theme of togetherness, without overwhelming people with the task of getting ready to go out in public. The campaign is very entertaining and a great way to encourage consumers to gather with others, and take a step away from that somewhat lonely life we've had to live over the last few years. Last up, LinkedIn has started adding AI-generated profile summaries and job listings, which just seems like a disaster in waiting if you ask us. Obviously, as a Microsoft-owned company, LinkedIn probably is more likely to add AI elements to the platform since Microsoft is looking to integrate OpenAI's conversational GPT into virtually all apps and functions. The new GPT-powered tool will provide personalized writing suggestions for creating your profile. So now everyone's going to have a bio that sounds exactly the same and not at all like their actual voice. As more content is generated by AI over time, that AI-generated content will be fed back to it. So basically, everything would become a copy of a copy. Fun. AI is hot right now as more and more people and brands have started to use the tools to make their lives easier. But we think this could put down a lot of the creativity that makes us stand out in daily life. Obviously, it's too early for us to predict what the future of AI holds. But the fact that it's already starting to be ingrained in so many business practices means that we should likely expect changes in the way many different industries operate. That's all for this week's Market Share. My name's Genevieve, and I'll see you all next week. And IAS's view, no, can you just up? You're right, can do it.
No, it's okay.